Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tina's English Studio. I'm Tina, and I'm so excited to talk with you today about something really fun.
And I'm Mark. Today we are talking about shopping for clothes in English. This is super useful because many of you might go shopping with your families.
That's right. We're going to do a role play together. I'm going to be the customer who wants to buy clothes, and Mark is going to be the shop assistant who works at the store. Are you ready, Mark?
Good morning. Welcome to our clothing store. Can I help you find something today?
Yes, thank you. I really like this blue jacket. Do you have this jacket in a medium size?
That's a great choice. Yes, we do have it in medium. Would you like to try it on to see if it fits you well?
Yes, please. That sounds good. But where are the fitting rooms? I'm not sure where to go.
No problem. Just look over there on the left side of the store. You'll see the fitting rooms right there. Go ahead and try it on.
Okay, thank you. I'm back now, and I have a problem. This jacket is too big for me. Do you have it in a small size instead?
Unfortunately, we only have this jacket in medium and large sizes in this blue color, but we do have other colors available.
Okay. Do you have this same jacket in black? I think black would look nice too.
Yes, we absolutely do have it in black. And here's some great news for you. This jacket is 20% off today, so you're getting a really good deal.
That's wonderful. I love black, and I love a good sale. I'll take it. Can I pay by card, please?
Perfect. Of course you can pay by card. Follow me to the till and we'll get you all checked out right away.
Great! Now let me share some key phrases that you learned in this role play. These are really important words and sentences to use when you go shopping for clothes in English.
That's right. Here are the phrases. First, you can ask, do you have this in a different size? This is helpful when something doesn't fit you right.
Second, you should know how to ask, where are the fitting rooms, so you can try things on. Third, you might want to ask, how much is it, to find out the price.
And finally, when you decide you want to buy something, you say, I'll take it. This tells the shop assistant that you want to purchase the item.
These phrases are super useful. Use them the next time you go shopping in English with your family or friends. You'll sound like a real English speaker.
New episodes every single day, so make sure you subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new content.
Thank you so much for listening to Tina's English Studio today. We hope you learned lots of new words and phrases about shopping.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye.